Okay, so today is day 2 of the 68 days of disciplined accountability, and things did not go as planned. I was supposed to wake up early, at least 5 a.m., to put in some study before I start work, but that didn't happen. So I think the change yesterday really took me out, along with everything else, my normal day-to-day life. So the day is not over yet. I will definitely be drinking my water. Some study will get done. Just need to see where to fit that in now after work. I'm trying to avoid doing that because after a full day of work, sometimes my brain is not as focused as I want it to be to actually study. But nonetheless, we press on. Tomorrow is another day. I'm just thankful that I have to make these videos of accountability, even if nobody watches them. But just knowing mentally that I have to do that is really keeping me motivated to make the changes that I need over these next 68 days to put in the right preparation for my exams. So we press on. Time to officially get on with my working day, and we'll see how it goes. So the rest of the day went as expected. Had a full day of work, made sure that I drank my water, and in the evening I decided to just take a walk. It was more of a study walk, just to try out my new sound revision notes, and it was very productive. So the day didn't quite go as planned, but nonetheless, it was still a good day. And tomorrow is another day of accountability.